Back up right. There you go. Back up right.
He's over. Oh.
I'm trying to get him over. Back up a little more right. A little more right. There you go. A little more. A little tiny bit more. Good. Go as far. There you go. There you go. You're good. There you go. There you go. Nice. Stay right. Stay right. Stay right.
Watch what he's going to do over here. Wait. Stop. Watch what's going to happen. He needs to back up and steer to the left just a little bit. He's going to come down on this thing.
Yeah, get hung up.
And he's going to get hung up. Try and get it to stay on that. Stay right here and then come over to here.
He should clear there.